Yeah. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? It's your boy. I'm back. Antonthegogo. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing today? It's lit. I'm back with a new unboxing review. I got some heat. And it didn't release yet. It didn't even release. It released on Monday. The Nike SB. Let's jump into it. So, I got one of the packages today from Nike. You know. Well, actually, no. It's from, it's a skate store. It's a skate shop. It's a skate shop. So, shout out to the skate shop. Boom. I forgot the name of the skate shop. But, yeah. I got my package. And I hit another pair. So, let's unbox. Let's do the, let's just take, let's take this out the box. So, how you guys doing today? I hope everybody doing well. I'm gonna open this box. Let's see what's up with this. Yeah, and been a great day, Happy to have my package, Happy to get the sneaker, and I hit 2. So I was like, wow, And let me know, did you try for the Travis Scotts? It released today. And I didn't hit the brown Travis Scott lows. Let me know, did you get that? Did you hit a pair on sneakers today? I did not. I'm in New York City. Let's see. Okay, guys. So now let's see what it is. As you know, I hope the box is not messed up, because sometimes they be shipping messed up boxes. Ooh, the box is clean. Oh my god. So guys, look at this. You guys see this? Yo, this is crazy. Yo, you see this on my box? Yo, I'm telling you, like, they cannot get nothing done right. Like, yo, that's crazy. But anyway, this is a size 12. Size 12. And it is the Wizard of Oz. Bam. It comes in this box, or this bag, I should say. It comes in this bag. So you see, guys, it comes in this bag. The Wizard of Oz, X Nike SBs. And yeah, oh, it comes with these 2 insoles. Oh. And then it comes with a Nike SB sticker. Really cool, really cool. Really cool. And the paper is fire too. The Wizard of Oz. And it comes with these 2 insoles. Really cool. Let me know, did you get a pair? Let me know, did you hit a pair? Hopefully, good luck on sneakers. Hopefully, you guys get a pair on sneakers. I heard it's pretty limited, but, let's, still try, still try. You may get a pair. And yeah, I do this full time. Guys. I collect sneakers. Let me know if you ever need any sneakers, But this is the size 12 that I got. And this is the size 11. Size 11. And you see, this one is pretty nice. You see, they didn't give me a messed up box. I'm like, yo, I'm tired. I'm like, why did they give me a messed up box? And then look, oh my god. So, I'm gonna show you guys this sneaker. Finally, yo, I'm telling you, this sneaker is annoying to take out the bag. I'm telling you, the bag is like sticky and stuff like that. Like, oh man. But this is the Wizard of Oz. Woo! You know, guys, I had to do the smell test. Ooh, make me wanna. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Make me wanna dance. Woo. Hey, hey, hey. Bam, bam, bam. It's lit. Woo. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. It's lit. Yeah, guys, I ain't gonna lie. This is amazing detail. The details on these SBs are amazing. Let's start it off, right? So with the SBs, you got the suede. You got the suede red check right here, right? You see that, guys? You see that? And then you got the all red. You got the red on the inside. Oh, it feels nice. It feels really nice. The material, really great material. Oh man. Then you got the velvet tongue. The velvet tongue. Ooh, the Wizard of Oz logo with Nike SB. And the print. The print is really dope. I'm looking at it and it's floral prints all over. You know, it's like floral and it's giving me like a different print. And on the back it says no place like home in the back. I'll show you guys. So on the back it says no place like home. And what I like about these, you can literally tear off, you can rip off. So basically use like a box cut or whatever, and you just peel this off and this whole thing's come off, this whole thing. So you peel it off and it's a whole new shoe. That's what I like about these. It's really, you can have the floral print or you can just tear it apart, you know, and then it'll give you I think a red or something like that. I'm gonna see if I get the image for you guys. But yeah, these amazing. Amazing. Let me know, did you get a pair? Do you want a pair? These are great for the holidays too. Christmas around the corner. Happy holidays to you guys. And yeah, hopefully I get more pairs, really. You know, I need more pairs. But yeah, these are the Wizard of Oz. Can't go wrong. Make sure you get yourself a pair. Shout out to all my customers. Shout out to all my subscribers that always been watching. And it's been a roller coaster, really. Just a roller coaster, guys. A roller coaster. And oh man, this is a great way to see if a sneaker is real or fake. Oh, just by the smell of the sneaker. Oh man. Woo, whoa, 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 whoa. You know these are real. Woo. Yeah. Shout out to Wizard of Oz. And actually, I do have a Wizard of Oz. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys. I actually have, I collect games and stuff like that, I have, all this game stuff behind me. But I have the Wizard of Oz for the DS as well. The Wizard of Oz Beyond the Yellow Brick Road. Woo! The Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz. Yeah, guys. And, I collect games. I collect different things. Definitely check out my YouTube if you haven't already. Woo! These are tough. SB. Wizard of Oz. Let me know, do you need a pair? Woo! 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 Movie, 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 movie. It's a movie, movie, movie. Yeah. Super fire. Super duper. Let me know, y'all. Let me know. Woo! Wah! Wah! Wee! Wah! Yo! Check it out. And yeah, the Wizard of Oz. I got it for the DS. And now I got it in a sneaker form. Really, really amazing sneaker. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Have a great day. Woo! Wah! Wee! Bow! Woo! Yeah, guys. So you already know. The Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz. Let me know, did you get a pair? I'm happy to have this pair. You know what? Maybe I may tow it. Who knows? Maybe. Let me know. Are these a tow, throw, or stop? Let me know. These are fire. These are super heat, super duper, heat. Let me know, y'all. What's your thoughts on these?